Welcome to Cooking with Gregor. It's Copycat Monday. Why pay restaurant prices when you can cook it better at home? Today we're going to make a Copycat Dennys scram slam. Over medium heat, we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of butter. Let that melt down. We're going to add in we're going to add in a 1/4 cup of diced white onion, 1/4 cup of diced green bell pepper, and 1 cup of sliced mushrooms. We're going to saute this for about 5 minutes or until the mushrooms are tender. I know you're probably thinking to yourself, that looks like it's a lot more than a 1/4 cup of onion, 1/4 cup of bell pepper, and a cup of sliced onions. Well, you're right. I am doubling this recipe as I'm cooking it. Now that the mushrooms have gotten soft, the way I tell if they're soft enough, if I can cut them with the spatula. So since I can cut them, I wanted to get away. With the spatula, I know we're good and ready. So for right now, we're going to take them out. And we're going to add in a 1/2 teaspoon of butter. Melt it down. Now we're going to add in 6 eggs. We're going to cook them for 6 to 7 minutes until the eggs are no longer runny. Now after 6 or 7 minutes and the eggs are no longer runny, we're going to add in the onions, bell pepper, and mushrooms, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now we're going to cut off the heat. Now if you didn't double the recipe like we did, you'll divide this into 2 plates. We're going to divide it into 4. I forgot. The cheese! Can't forget the cheese! And we're also going to add in 1 cup of shredded cheese. Mix that in until the cheese is all nice and melted. Now that the cheese is all melted, we're going to cut off the heat. We're going to divide it into 2 plates, unless you doubled it like we did, and we'll divide it into 4. We're going to sprinkle on some diced tomatoes. Add in a couple sausage links. Also add in bacon and hash browns. I didn't feel like cooking all that today. So we're just going to do that. And now it's time to dig in. Bon appetit. Now for just adding salt, it's really not that bad. Pretty good actually. Could use some pepper or some salsa. This recipe serves 2 people, and it cost us about $15 to make, not including the sausage. You're looking at $7.50 a serving. That's not too bad. It's a heck of a lot cheaper than going out to eat. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.